how to change currency on FreshBooks. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial, so if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to change currency on FreshBooks. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up FreshBooks right here. And once you have signed into your account, all you need to do to change the currency is click on the settings icon in this top left corner, and that is going to open up this drop-down menu. From here, click into the settings option, and that is going to take you over to the settings area. Now from here, just go to this menu along the top, click into the business option, and then from here, all you have to do is scroll down to preferences, find the currency option, and then we can go ahead and change this. So if I change this to the US dollar, and then click save, you can see this has now been changed, and that is how you can change your currency on FreshBooks.